How to hard reset Vivo V50 and V50 Lite.
Step 1. Start by completely turning off your device. Press and hold the power key for about 3 seconds to open the power menu. Step 2. Select Power Off. Your device will soon shut down. Step 3. Press and hold both the power button and the volume up key simultaneously. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.